Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we continue with the application in the cables. Okay, the main type of insulation used in the cable industries are paper, synthetic rubber, plastic, and the compressed gas. Okay, the insulator should have a good elongation and tensile strength and toughness to withstand handling during installation and service, and they have a low dielectric constant and power factor, high dielectric strength and insulation resistance. And beside that, they should have excellent resistance to aging at a high temperature and resistant to long exposure to sunlight and various chemicals. Okay, the left side of the figure here, this is the cross section of the power cables. Okay, in the high voltage cable give rise to ozone and the insulation will deteriorate in its presence. This is the particularly severe for the insulation near the conductors. Okay, for underwater application, it requires very low water absorption for the insulator. At the low temperature, the insulation should not become stiff and brittle. Okay, and then in the cable insulation, the partial discharge should be kept as low as possible. Okay, so I have shared to you the video for the partial discharge setting in the power cable in this lesson. Okay, you can check. Okay, so they have some additional for the application in the power cable. The paper insulated lead, the sheeted. Okay, the sheeted cable are still used because the reliability, the high dielectric strength, low dielectric loss, and the long life. For the low and medium voltage, which is up to 3.3 kilovolt. Okay, for the medium voltage, 3.3 kilovolt, the PVC and XPE is most used. Why the PVC is not suitable for the high voltage? Because the high voltage constant and high loss. Okay, they have a high dielectric constant and a high loss, and compared to the polyethylene, has a low dielectric constant and low loss, but have a high dielectric strength. The best material for high voltage and high temperature is Teflon, PTFE. Okay, which is can be employed up to 230 degrees Celsius. Okay, I think that's all for the application insulation material in power cable. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.